Let me teach you how to use 3000 watt handheld laser machine. First of all, we need to prepare water and electricity power. 3000 watt handheld welding machine is powered by 380 volt AC. There are 5 cable, 3 live wires, 1 neutral wire, and 1 ground wire. This is the protective gas interface. This is the water filling port. The protective gas is generally argon, or replace it with nitrogen. Cooling water is generally Watson's distilled water. Especially in the winter when the water freezes, we will add antifreeze to the water tank. We generally recommend Clariant antifreeze. The ratio of water to antifreeze is 3:1. Cooling water needs to be replaced every quarter. Before power on machine, all emergency stop switches are in emergency stop state. Turn the emergency stop switch to release the emergency stop. Open the handheld welding machine cover. The laser also has an emergency stop switch to release the emergency stop. Turn on the main power switch. Here is the power switch for the chiller. The device starts running. Normally it will be in standby. Then we press the switch to activate the chiller. When it shows that the chiller is running, the chiller has been turned on normally. Then there is an indicator light on the front cover of our device. If it displays green, it means the device is normal. This is our operating interface. The operation interface has 4 columns. Home page, welding process, setting, and monitoring. Home page is the welding process we now use. Welding process is a craft package. There are 10 craft packages that can be used. We can choose different materials for different plate thicknesses and set it up. The password set is 123456. We also have some other features. The switch delay or arc starting power, arc starting time, arc closing power, closing time. There is also a red light correction feature. The monitoring page is the alarm information interface. Display specific alarm information. If the indicator light is red, you can go to the alarm information interface to check the alarm status. After finding the accessory box, find our connecting pipes and welding tip. Assemble. Take out the welding gun. Remove the rubber plug. Loosen the thread a little. Move to scale 0. Adjust the direction of the welding tip. Tighten. Assembled. Now let's do a gas test before laser emission. Give it a try. Do we have protective gas during normal welding? This is laser enable to show the shutdown status. Then connect the alligator clip and the gun tip. At this time, the safe lock light turns green. We took the welding gun tip to the workbench to test the shielding gas. after testing the protective gas. Next, test the laser emission with low power. Check if the laser is normal. First, turn on laser enable. Click welding process. We set the peak power to 600 watts in the welding process interface. Set to 20% of total laser power. Then click import, click to return. Check. Import successful. Next we test the laser emission. Now explain the use of wire feeder. The wire feeder has two wires, a power cord, a signal line. Both wires are connected to the machine. Next we take out the accessories that come with the wire feeder. Fixing welding wire reel. Select the corresponding wire feed wheel according to the diameter of the wire. Wire feed wheel specifications are 0.8 mm and 1 mm. When using 1 mm specification, installed. Pass the welding wire through the wire feed wheel. Fix with screws. Place the welding wire into the wire trough and clamp it. It should be noted here that we need to leave a little more welding wire out. You can probably come out about 5-10 centimeters from here. Then tighten the thread wheel. Next, we insert one end of the wire feed tube here. Fix this screw. Then gently pull it out. Check if it is tightened. After tightening, close the cover. Then we turn on. After opening it, take a look at our operation interface. Manual wire feeding, manual retraction, run, stop, and setting interface. This is the addition and subtraction of the wire feed speed. And then we can hold the other side of the wire feed tube. Click manual wire feeding. Open this door. See if the wire feed wheel is rotating here during the manual wire feeding process. Rotation is normal. Until there is wire coming out of the other end of the wire feed tube. One wire comes out. We insert it into the welding gun and fix. Then put in the gasket. Screw. Wire feed tube. Pin it. Finally, use a one-wire feeding nozzle to fix the wire. Then adjust the wire feeding position to the welding area. Tighten it with tools. Finally, cut off the excess wire. Check whether the light point is on the welding wire. When we shut down machine, be sure to turn off the laser enable first. Then press the emergency stop button on the host. Opening the machine cover. Press emergency stop of laser. Finally, turn off the main power switch. Complete shutdown. Before using the device, we need to take safety precautions. Wear laser protective glasses first. Wear protective gloves. We should connect ground lock and product when we use a welding gun. It is prohibited to clamp the safety lock on the welding gun to laser out. This is a dangerous laser gun. When we finish using, put away the safety lock, alligator clip. The position of the welding gun is safe and the laser enable is turned off.
你把那个都拔出来呀，那个 OS 要去解密的，要去解密的，你把那个 OS。对了，对了，是吗？